2025 is just around the corner, and if you're looking to save more money, then you're in the right place. Imagine saving more without sacrificing your lifestyle. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to share 5 smart budgeting tips that will change the way you manage your money in 2025. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to Saving Secrets by Ismail. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or if you simply want to improve your financial situation, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into actionable, simple tips that anyone can use to save money and build financial freedom in 2025. Tip number 1, automate your savings. First, let's talk about automation. One of the easiest ways to save money without even thinking about it is by automating your savings. For example, if you earn $2,000 a month, set up an automatic transfer of $100 to a savings account as soon as your salary hits. By the end of the year, you'll have $1,200 saved without even noticing. Tip number 2, use budgeting apps. Next up, use budgeting apps. Apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, help you track your expenses and set goals. For instance, if you spend $50 weekly on coffee, the app will alert you when you cross your set budget. This simple reminder can save you hundreds of dollars annually. Tip number 3, cut unnecessary expenses. Tip number 3 is to review and cut unnecessary expenses. A great example is canceling unused subscriptions. I once found I was paying $10 monthly for a magazine subscription I hadn't read in months. That's $120 a year saved right there. Tip number 4, save on everyday purchases. Tip number 4 is all about saving on everyday purchases. For example, instead of buying branded cereal that costs $5, try the store brand for $3. Over time, this small change on multiple products can save you hundreds. Tip number 5, set financial goals. Last but not least, set financial goals. Let's say you want to save for a $2,000 vacation. Break it down, save $40 every week, and you'll reach your goal in a year. Tracking progress keeps you motivated. And remember, saving money is not about being perfect. It's about making smarter choices every day.